Hi everyone, welcome to First Steps in Excel, your go-to place for learning Excel from scratch. I'm Wayne, I'm a software trainer with over 10 years of experience helping adults feel confident with tech. If you've ever opened Excel and thought, what is this grid of boxes? Don't worry, you are not alone and you're in the right place. Hi everyone, welcome back to First Steps in Excel. Okay. So you've learned how to organize, calculate and format your data. Honestly guys, amazing work so far. Now it's time for a real game changer. In today's session, we're diving into one of Excel's most useful tools, freezing rows and columns. This simple trick keeps your headers and labels visible no matter how far you scroll. This is perfect for working with big spreadsheets. When your spreadsheet gets long, it's easy to lose track of what each column or row represents. Okay, so freezing panes basically lock specific rows and columns in place, so they stay visible even while you scroll through your data. Right, let's start with freezing the top row. This is perfect for keeping your column headers in view. So we're going to click any cell below the top row. Then we're going to go to View tab, Freeze Panes, and then click on Freeze the top row. And you'll see now your headers stay fixed at the top, so no matter how far you scroll. Okay, next, let's freeze the first column. This is handy when you have names or labels on the left and want to scroll across many columns. So we're going to click any cell to the right of the first column. And then from here, we're going to go to View again, Freeze Panes, but this time we're going to click on Freeze First Column. And then we're going to scroll to the right. And now your first column stays locked. So you can always see your key labels. And finally, if you ever want to remove your frozen rows or columns, it's super easy. We're going to go back to View, Freeze Panes, and this time click on Unfreeze Panes. And you can scroll freely again. So now you know how you freeze rows and columns in Excel. It's a simple tool, but it makes a huge difference when working with large spreadsheets. Okay guys, now it's your turn. Let's practice freezing rows and columns together. Okay, so if you open up a spreadsheet with a few rows of data and clear headers at the top, then go to View tab, click on Freeze Panes, and then click on Freeze Top Row. If you scroll down, you should then notice your headers stay in view. Fingers crossed they do. Perfect. Now try Freeze First Column to keep the labels on the left visible as you scroll to the right. And then finally, go back to View, Freeze Panes, and Unfreeze Panes to reset your spreadsheet. Good luck, guys. Okay, everybody, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a step. I will see you all in the next video.